So if you are talking to somebody and you get them to say, yes, send me some information, try to understand your flow of your follow-up from there. After you've sent them the information, what you're doing next.
Yeah, and I believe the reference of your question is out of course 2 ECCP, Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting. What Mitch is doing, okay? He looks like Tom Cruise, okay, but he's Tom Cruise. He's in the fighter jet, right? Brrr, all kinds of bells and whistles and all that stuff is going off. The jet, Goose is behind him, RIP Goose. He's gonna have to he's in a flat spin, he's gonna have to pull the ripcord and eject. That's what Mitch is talking about. The flat spin I'm talking about, guys, in the course, if you haven't been in the course in a while, go through the course, is this. The likelihood of you taking an airplane off, them answering on a totally cold conversation, and them having that conversation with you, and you landing skillfully that deal is pretty damn low. You're not Tom Cruise. This ain't the movies. The chances of you getting shot down or having a deadly crash are very high. So what Mitch is talking about is when somebody answers hello, they've got all of this cortisol and anxiety, and they're like, sales call, right? So I'm going to let them know who I am, how I'm connected, right? And then I'm going to say, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing over here at XYZ so you can take a look when you have some time? Keywords being, can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing over here at XYZ or ABC or Acme so you can take a look when you have some time? It's amazing this stuff works, guys. They'll start giving you all, they'll start shooting all their anti-aircraft even though you're not in the sky anymore. You ejected, right? You're not in the plane. They'll still blow it up. Oh yeah, that would be good because I'm stepping into a meeting, I'm donating a kidney, and isn't it amazing? They all answer the phone right when I'm stepping into a meeting, right? So that's why Mitch is doing that. Now Mitch is asking me what my cadence is. 2 things. Number 1, when you send them an email, keep it short. Keep it abbreviated, right? Very tight, very compressed. It's not a sales pitch because the goal is to, again, have that conversation. Now, here's where you're asking me, Mitch, where I would wait. I would wait. It depends on the situation and how many prospects you have. I wouldn't take too much time to call them back because they're going to forget. So I'd maybe call them the next day or a couple days later. And then I would say, hey, was thinking about you. Now you can, because you've been through the ECCP course, now you can go right into your hook and your insight. Something that every CFO is having to do. I was thinking about you guys this morning. Man, there is something that every VP of accountants having to deal with. Nobody's talking about. I just want to make sure you were aware of it. They're going to be exponentially more likely to have the conversation because it's not a stranger calling them. Now, just be prepared for this because I actually test this stuff, so I know it works. They're going to go, haven't had time to look at your email, right? And you're going to go, oh, no worries, that's not what I was calling about, right? Now, oh, okay, well, what's going on? And now you jump right into your insight. So I wouldn't call them back the same day. Next day is okay. 2 days. I wouldn't wait any longer than a week to call back with them. Does that make sense, Mitch?
Yeah, and you're leaving that type of hook voicemail if they're not answering at that point then? Or you're not leaving a voicemail?
No, leave the hook. Always leave a hook whenever you're leaving the voicemail, right? And I want to make sure I'm clear on this. So I'm cold calling. 99% of the time, Mitch isn't going to answer, right? So my voicemail is, hey, Mitch, whatever my hook is that I'm using. Hey, Mitch, I was thinking about you guys. You and I, it's Matt Easton over here at Acme, was thinking about, you and I are connected because I manage Salt Lake City for our mid-tier accounting, whatever, right? How we're connected. Was thinking about you today because there's a little secret that the top CFOs in Utah are sharing amongst themselves. I just want to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. It's calm, it's cool, it's not salesy, right? If you answer, I'm not doing that. Hello, hey, Mitch, Matt Easton over here at Acme. You and I are connected because I work with I'm in charge of all the accounting contacts here in Utah, or you and I are connected on LinkedIn, or you and I both attended the SEMA show in Las Vegas, whatever the connection that you've manufactured is, right? And then, hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing so you can take a look when we have some time? And yeah, boom, you send him the link. The next day you're going right, if he doesn't answer, you're going right back into the hook. If he does answer, you're not going to eject a second time. Then you're going to go right into your hook. Make sense?
Yes.
if you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.